Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for invoice factoring through Lendio. Invoice factoring helps businesses to get cash quickly by selling unpaid invoices to a lender. Here's how to apply with Lendio. First, log into your Lendio account on the website, and once you're on your dashboard, click apply for a loan. Now from the loan options, you want to select invoice factoring. You got to enter your business information, including industry, years in operation, and annual revenue. Provide details about your outstanding invoices, such as client names, amounts, and payment terms. You also need to upload supporting documents, usually copies of invoices and proof of service or goods delivered. Add your personal ownership details and estimated credit score. You also want to double check all entries for accuracy, since lenders will review client payment history. Once that's done, click submit application, and Lendio will contact you with factoring companies that purchase invoice at a discount and advance cash to your account. This option is especially useful if you're waiting on slow paying clients but need working capital immediately. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.